Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video for you all. We finally had an opportunity to work a little bit on the camper, so we've been missing working on it. Gary's been staying really busy trying to get that shingled roof done. Y'all sit back and hang out with us for a while. So, what's your plan today? Oh, your shirt's buttoned up incorrectly. No, it's off.
Oh. It was fine until you came in here.
And then magically it got buttoned up incorrectly.
Okay. I cut this out of the way and right here to spur that up. So close my. Are you gonna get a new latch for it?
Yes.
Cause I don't want to get to. And I'm gonna put this stuff in between here. All the way through and get all that screwed up around that.
Cool. So that's.
Then we'll have to straighten up the trim.
Yeah.
That's how it goes on there like that, but it's muted.
Yeah.
But you couldn't get some new stuff somewhere cheap.
So that's what you're going to work on. I've got to go to a doctor appointment, so I guess you'll work on that while I'm gone, and when I get back I can take a picture of the progress you made. It's a nice day out. I think that's correct about the butyl tape going in between.
Well, I hope so, because we're going to find out.
Did you put a board in there to screw it to?
Not yet. There we go. Copy. That it was trying to escape. One in there. But anyway, that's how it'll be. But yeah, I'm gonna put the board in behind her after I get this in. So I know exactly where it goes.
Feels nice to get to work on the camper, don't it?
It does, I kind of miss it. It's certainly a lot easier than doing that up there.
Gary's doing a good job on our shingle roof. He's got one side of the addition completely shingled. Next we'll be going to the front of the mobile home roof and tearing off all the old shingles on that.
Ow, ow, ow. I really need to get knee pads.
Why don't you put that mat that you got in there under your knees?
Because I didn't think of it.
Oh, would you like me to get it?
No, I'm gonna be done right here in a second anyway. Right. I appreciate that.
The only stipulation I gave him today is he can't get on the roof without me here.
Yep. I'm a little warbly today.
Plus, if I'm not here, I can't catch you if you go rolling off.
Catch me like that?
Yeah.
If you actually tried, we'd both be down. I'd wait for at least bounce once and then catch me.
Yeah. Your head injuries are healing.
If I don't quit getting more, I got 2 right there yesterday.
Don't pick at them, you'll be bleeding.
They're sweaty. Well, anyway.
So you're going to figure out something for around there.
Yep, pretty that make it look like something.
Cool.
And we'll go from there.
Yay. Gary's got his sweat rag on.
My American Freedom Rag.
Formerly known as a bandana. And he's turned the air conditioner on the inside, so...
If close the door, it might be hot.
Yeah. If you get too hot, you just go in there and do something inside and chill out.
I suspect I'll probably be doing that.
Adelaide is going to be outside hanging with you. Call me if you need anything.
You call me if you need anything.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop the video here, go to the doctor.
Yay!
Boo.
Okay.
For my ankylosing spondylitis, the rheumatologist.
I thought you said there was arthritis.
Ankylosing spondylitis is a form of arthritis.
Yeah. You said it's arthritis doctor or the ankylosing spondylitis doctor?
She's a rheumatologist that deals with arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. And Mom has rheumatoid arthritis, so she goes to her as well.
Hey.
So we both go the same day.
What are they helping you?
Well, to an extent. I've had a lot of pain the last couple of
They're
weeks.
not helping you. You need to go somewhere else. That's how it is.
Anyway, I'm going to end the video, and when I come back I will check and see how far he's got. Okay guys, I got back from the doctor yesterday and I didn't actually get to come out and video, so I thought I would show you all real quick this morning. He got the butyl tape and got the screws in, so now that trim will go over top of that. I guess you call it trim. Oh, and the air conditioner, he fixed the top like that. So I wish we had a little bit of original siding, but since we don't, he just used what we had. And he put butyl tape behind it. So anyway, that is what he accomplished while I was gone to the doctor. Oh, it looks like he's even got over here. I didn't realize he got plumb around. So today I think he's going to work on putting that board in the back. That'll be another video. See y'all later. Bye.